Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Ayu Mulyani. Here I want explain about introduction to creative art in language learning. So, the introduction of creative art in English learning is a rich and transformative pedagogic approach. It is not simple and a dead entertainment activity at the end of a lesson, but rather a physical framework that views language as a form of artistic expression and prefer communication. This framework seeks to create an immersive and meaningful learner's environment where language becomes a tool for correction and sharing, just not a set of rules to be memorized. The use of creative art in the context of language learning reflects a revolutionary pedagogic paradigm. This approach the integrated disciplines like visual arts, music, and drama into language education in-house, motivation, expression, and engagement. This method uses art as tool to facilitate communication beyond traditional introduction, fostering creativity, building confidence, and helping learners connect with the language in a more personal and meaningful way. The goal is to transform the learning process from merely cognitive linguistic acquisition to a holistic, effective, and expressive experience. So, this approach recognizes the language is it not only composed of structure and vocabulary, but also as a tool for communication, emotional expression, and cultural representation. So, their theoretical basic. This approach is rooted in several modules there in education and psychology. This approach is rooted in several modules. There is education psychology, the first theory of multiple intelligence. This theory states that human intelligence is not limited to linguistic and logical, mathematical intelligence, but encompasses 8 types of intelligence, including spacing, music, bodily, kinesthetic, and interpersonal. Language learning tools and creative art allow teachers to reach and ethics students various types of intelligence, makes learning more personalized and effective for a wider spectrum of learners. B. Effective learning approach. Effective learning is heavily influenced by affective factors: emotional, attitude, motivation, and hygiene. Creative art, particularly drama and music, can significantly reduce language anxiety, particularly when speaking. When the student focus on the rule or melody, their attention is different from the fear of making grammatical errors. And C. Student controlled learning. Art activities are generally participatory and collaborative. Disposition study of contents produced rather than simply reception of information. This active role enhances student autonomy and makes the learning process more relevant to their personal interests and experiences. Dimension of creative art and their integration. The application of creative art in a language can be categorized into four main of dimension. The first is performing art, drama or theater. Linguistic focus, practicing fluency, pronunciation, and intonation. And the second is application, role-playing for everyday situation in a restaurant or airport. Dialogue improvisation, oral storytelling, and pantomimic the communicative verb and emotion. The benefit is building pragmatic competence, the ability to use language. The second is visual art, linguistic focus, strategy, descriptive vocabulary, preposition, and simple sentence structure. Application, creative visual and made to organize. The benefits facilitate multisensory learning, help memory retention through visual memory.